Snow update. It's deep. Hey everybody, welcome to Off-Road 801. I went to the opposite corner of the state today. We're at Beaver Mountain. It's right next to the coldest spot in the nation, Peter Sinks. But it's actually not too cold today. It doesn't feel bad. I think we're just below freezing. Should be a good day. Chance of snow. It's a powder day. I think there's been 24 inches in the last 36 hours. That's a good amount. It's nice and fluffy so far. I haven't wrecked yet. We'll see how many times I wreck. I will keep count for you. I came with my buddy Frank. We're here to check out how much snow we got. I've been hearing about it all winter. I've been avoiding it all winter, but now I'm here. Let's hit it. Yes, just one.
Okay. We counted up for you. 60, 80, 100. Being on the camera.
You got a bench too. Look at benches.
They haven't ran that one in a while. The snow's above the top of the seat. I've already had issues this morning. Last year when I used my board, I thought my bindings came loose. So I waited till this year to look at them, and it looks like I broke them. So I've got modified snowboard bindings. Hopefully they last me the whole day. We'll see.
Very sweet tire up there. Turn around spot. Unload. You want to get off my list now. Woo!
All right, well, let's go find some powder. And I need to find Frank. I haven't seen him in a minute. Whoops, I sunk. Okay, the powder is deep today. It's up to my knees. Well, that took a good 10 minutes to get unstuck from that powder trap. Whew. So I don't know if it's a record year this year, but it's a lot. Beaver Mountain has over 100 inches. It's March 1st. I've never seen this much snow up here. It's pretty sweet. So hopefully I don't get stuck too many times, and hopefully I don't wreck. Let's keep going.
Once a day that I would pray for you, I'd go and misbehave just so you notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink
Snow
straight.
update.
Don't waste
It's
time
deep.
to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
That was a nice little trip through the powder.
He just lost his edge. That's loud.
That didn't work. That was a lot of powder. Cheers! Powder day! Woohoo!
Way to go! Nope, you did it. What a win. You win. You win right there.
That's all right. Oh, I tipped over. This ought to be fun. That's once. Now I gotta get out of the powder.
They definitely need their ass put in.
They need one of them handicapped ones. So you can get in there with your coat.
So Frank, how was the powder today?
Nice, deep, and fun.
Hell yeah, it's been awesome. We got a bluebird day. We just ate our lunch.
It's hot.
It's getting hot. I had to
Hot
take
now.
my hoodie off.
But it's a good times.
Yep, good times.
That's good.
That's how steep it is, right there. Crash and burn.
That's where people like to make moguls.
They're no fun.
We don't like moguls. We like powder.
Hit a word!
So I guess Frank's winning. I caught him on camera once wrecking, but I've wrecked twice. So I gotta catch him wrecking on camera again, so we could be tied. Holy cow, it turned into a beautiful day though. This is awesome. Lots of fresh powder. Not very many people because it's Beaver Mountain and there's not very many people here. Oh, power went down.
Oh, Frank just got swallowed by the quick snow. That's the same place I got stuck this morning.
It's a new form of winter swimming. But I guess that doesn't count as a wreck. He didn't officially wreck. He had to unstrap. So he's still beating me. That's why Utah has the greatest snow on earth. Powder you can drown in. Yep, we got some snow.
There we go. Shh.
Sweet, what a killer day. Awesome powder, not very many people, but me and Frank had a blast. I'm glad we got a nice killer snow day. Shredding the pow at the Beeve. Perfect day. Wish I could do this every day, except for my legs would be really tired. But we're gonna get out of here. We'll go get a couple more runs in by ourselves. Call it a good day. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Don't come here, you won't like it. The snow is way too good. You wouldn't like the powder.